Did you know that poor inventory management costs businesses worldwide over $1.1 trillion annually in lost sales and excess stock? Organizations rely on effective inventory and stock control to meet customer demand, reduce waste, and maximize profitability. Without proper systems in place, they face overstocking, stockouts, and inefficiencies that hurt their bottom line. For professionals, struggling with outdated or ineffective inventory practices can be frustrating. Missed opportunities, operational bottlenecks, and a lack of expertise can hold back career advancement. This certification course is designed to make you an inventory and stock control specialist. From mastering inventory tracking and demand forecasting to implementing lean stock strategies, you'll gain the skills to optimize inventory management. Businesses with specialized inventory professionals report up to a 20% increase in operational efficiency and reduced carrying costs. For organizations, certified inventory specialists bring expertise that minimizes losses, enhances productivity, and improves supply chain reliability. This results in stronger customer satisfaction and a more competitive edge. For individuals, this course positions you as an expert in a critical business function. You'll unlock career opportunities, lead impactful changes, and become indispensable to your organization's success. Precision in inventory management drives success. Take the next step in your professional journey and lead the way in stock control excellence. Register now to become a certified inventory and stock control specialist.